one who will carry this themed title forward is no other than Miss Jessa Acebuche Photo. Sponsoring agencies, University of Eastern Philippines Laoang Campus, Colegio de Santa Teresita de Laoang Incorporated, Liceo de Bethlehem, GB Tan Memorial Hospital, and Laoang National High School. Once again, our Miss Young Professional 2024, Miss Jessa Acebuche Photo. Miss Photo, also known as Tata, is the daughter of Mrs. Rebecca A. Photo and Mr. Judy S. Photo Sr. Miss Jessa was born on February 14, 2000. She finished her elementary education at Vigo Elementary School. Her junior high school education at Laoang National Technical High School. Her senior high school at the University of Eastern Philippines Laoang Laboratory High School. Her tertiary education at the UEP main campus with a degree, Bachelor of Arts in Political Science. She also finished the Professional Teachers Certification Program at the Northern Samar Colleges in 2022. She is currently enrolled in the Master of Arts in Education major in Social Studies program at the Samar State University in Catalogan City. She is a licensed professional teacher and works as a special lecturer at the University of Eastern Philippines Laoang campus. She believes that the quality of life is determined by the quality of one's thoughts. Once again, our Miss Young Professional 2024, Miss Jessa Acebuche Photo.
As gold as she is now taking her center to the stage of the municipality.
The Miss Laoang Young Professional 2024 will be also honored with a sash and bouquet. The presentation of the sash will be done by Attorney Miguel Sarmiento and Dr. Karen Aisa Monte, while Dr. Luisito Moncada and Madam Madeline M. Ong will present the bouquet.
Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you very much. Jessa, please take your seat.
Laoang 2023. This special moment allows our reigning queen to reflect on her journey and accomplishments over the past year. Miss Julian A. Acson in her farewell ball.
Now we come to the highlight of this evening, significant moment where we will witness the passing of the crown, cape, and scepter to our new Miss Laoang Young Professional 2024. These symbols of leadership and responsibility represent not only the beauty, but also the commitment to serve our community with grace and integrity. As we prepare for this ceremonial time, let us take a moment to appreciate the journey of our outgoing queen and welcome in the new. Please join me in celebrating this momentous occasion as we prepare for the coronation of our new title holder. To lead the turnover of the cape is Dr. Alice Uy Tan and Reverend Father Ryan Paul G. Opeña. of the crown is Mayor Hector Ong and Engineer Luis and Mary Ann Santos, our Hermana Mayor 2024.